Michelle here from Straw-Bearie, and I just wanted to jump on here a little bit and talk to you about my Thankfulness Journal, having an attitude of gratitude. So I started this journal a few years ago when I was in a really, really dark place. Mental abuse, suicidal, you name it. It was happening. And I'd had a friend who had told me about, she was doing a thankfulness journal, and it just, I don't know, it seemed too hard. It seemed like, what do you write about? What sentences do you write about? I don't know if I can do that. And then I got to that place where everything was so low, and I knew I needed to do something to pull myself up. And another friend of mine, we'll call her Jennifer, shared with me the Joy Dear and printed this off for me. And I will leave a link to this in the video description. It is from AnnVonscamp.com. But every month, every day, it has like prompts for something that you can be thankful for. So one might be 3 things that are blue, or a gift before dawn, at noon, after dark. Different types of prompts of things to be thankful for. And that really helped me, because a lot of times when, I think about what I'm thankful for, you think, oh, I'm thankful for my family and my friends and my food and my house, and you're done. But this really, especially when I was having such dark days that I had nothing that I thought I was thankful for. Nothing. And I would read that and it would say 3 things that are blue. And so I would start to write down. And I'd look around me and be like, oh, I kind of like that blue pillow. So I would write that down. Or, oh, my blue dress is pretty. I'm thankful for my blue dress. Or, oh, look, those are blue earrings. Okay, I'm thankful for those. And for a while, I had to use this a lot with this prompt. 3 things that are soft. Well, there's my pillow. I'm thankful for my pillow. My dog is soft. I'm thankful for her. Just to get me into the habit of trying to be thankful. And then once I started to get into the habit, and it started to grow inside of me, and I started to be more thankful and more grateful after forcing myself to think of things. And I try to write in it almost every night. There's nights that I skip, but I try to write 3 things that I'm thankful for every night. And now a lot of times they come a lot easier, and they're not so superficial. A lot of times it's more about the friend that I spoke to that day, or the things that I see just the hand of God doing in my life. And it's just a wonderful thing. So if you have not done a thankfulness journal or a gratitude journal, I really suggest that you do something like this. It can change your outlook, and it can change your life. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Love you guys. Toodles.